Hi traders, welcome to the next episode of Quantman Common Queries. In this video, we'll take a specific question which the users has been asking regarding Quantman. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. A user has been asking a query like how to run a strategy from private to public. Don't worry, I'll show this using our platform. As usual, log in Quantman. Go to My Strategy page. Take the strategy which you want to share. Once you have opened your strategy, in the top right corner, you can see an option like Private to Public. Just enable that option. Once you have enabled it, you can easily copy the link and share it with anyone you want. So it is so simple that within just 2 steps you can now share a strategy with your friends. Hope this video finds useful for you. If you have any queries regarding Quantman, do let us know in the comment section. For more such updates and videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll meet you in the next episode. Happy trading!